Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillah, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala give us healthy, and time for learning. Today we will discuss about the earth and beyond. Kita akan bahas tentang the earth and beyond. Ada di buku kamu. For the course book, I think page 162.
Course book atau workbook, Pak?
Course book first. After course book, we will discuss workbook. So, why I have to discuss course book and workbook? Because for the IPT, the type of the questions may be similarly with similar with course book and also workbook. Yeah, because I think this is the international style. Okay. I have scanned my book here. Okay, the earth and beyond. Have you read this text, Mas Rafa? Mas Rafa? Mas Rafa, please read this text, Mas Rafa. This one until this.
Yeah. We live on the earth. During the day, we can see the sun in the sky. Sometimes we can also see the moon. At night, the sky is dark. We can see stars. Sometimes we can also see the moon. The sun, moon, and star are all objects in space. Far from the earth, by observing these objects, atmosphere has been able to discover a lot about space.
Ya, astronomers ya.
Astronomers.
Oke, thank you Mas Rafa. We live on the earth. Ya, kita hidup di earth, di bumi ya. In social media, there are some discussion about how the human live in Mars, maybe ya. And also discuss about the position of the water in Mars. But I think, yeah, until now, the Earth is the only one planet that we can live in this. We can live here for the human. Yeah, we live on the Earth during the day. We can see the sun in the sky. Sometimes we can also see the moon. At night, the sky is dark. We can see stars. Sometimes we can also see the moons. There are three things in our solar system, yeah. Sun, and then stars, and then moon. Kalau moon kita udah tahu kan ya. Sun juga kita sudah tahu. Kalau stars, apa sih stars itu? Star apa?
Bintang.
Bintang-bintang ya. So, is sun also we can call sun as the star? Anyone? Anybody?
Star.
Bisa nggak kita sebut apa namanya?
Yes.
Matahari itu sebagai
Yes.
ya.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, at night we can see the stars because actually, yeah, sun is one of the stars. Jadi matahari itu juga salah satu bintang. But the sun is the stars that the nearest stars with the earth ya. Jadi apa namanya? Matahari itu adalah bintang yang paling dekat dengan bumi, sehingga pada saat siang kita sulit untuk melihat stars yang lain. Kalau malam kita bisa melihat stars yang lain selain matahari. Itu ya. Jadi ada apa namanya? Ada sun and then moon and then stars. Objects in space. Yeah, and then observer. The name of the observer is astronomers. Ya, ada astronomers. Orang yang menekuni bidang astronomi. Kita dengan astronot ya. Okay, there are 2 questions here, and yeah, this is I think simple question, but the style is different with Indonesian ya. Mbak Hafiza, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Mbak Hafiza, please read question number 1, Mbak.
Which word means scientist who studies space?
Okay, which word means scientist who study space? Yang mana, Mbak? Jawabannya, Mbak.
Astronomers.
Astronomers. Okay, thank you, Mbak. Jadi ini pertanyaan sangat mudah ya, hanya untuk checking bahwa kita sudah membaca. Which word means scientist who study space ya. Jadi ilmuwan yang apa namanya? Yang mempelajari ruang angkasa, space. And then Mas Iqbal, read number 2, Mas Iqbal.
Nomor 2 yang mana? Kenapa?
Ini nih, ini.
Nadia says we see the sun during the day and the moon at night. Is it correct? Explain your answer.
Okay, you can answer these questions.
Yes, correct.
Correct. We see the sun during the day and the moon at night. Kita bisa melihat matahari pada siang hari dan bulan pada malam hari. Jelaskan kenapa?
Karena saat pagi hari bumi menghadap ke matahari dan saat malam hari bumi tidak menghadap ke matahari, tapi menghadap ke bulan.
So what about the position between moon and the sun?
Nggak tahu.
Nggak tahu. Ini ada sunnya ya. Tapi apa namanya? Ada feedback. Ya, nanti kita bahas. Okay, I think the reason of the explanation about we see the sun during the day and the moon at night, everything is up to you ya. As long as your answer make sense, it's okay. Jadi jawabannya terserah kamu, yang penting masih make sense ya, masih masuk akal. Tadi disampaikan bahwa because at the day matahari menghadap ke bumi, ke bagian bumi ya. Jadi bumi nanti ada 2 bagian. Yang pertama face to the sun and the second is face to the moon. And the light of the moon produced because of reflection. Ya, reflection of the sunshine to the moon. Jadi bulan pun sebenarnya hanyalah memantulkan cahaya. Because the only one object in space that can produce the light on the stars. Jadi objek di space itu yang bisa memproduksi atau menghasilkan cahaya itu hanya stars, hanya bintang. And sun is one of the stars. Dan matahari itu adalah salah satu dari bintang. Okay, thank you so much. Now, the next paragraph, Mbak Fania, please read the text.
The pattern of a day. Every day sun rises in the east. It travels across the sky and sets in the west. It is highest in the sky at midday. How can we explain this pattern? There are two ways to explain the pattern. One is correct, the other is wrong.
Okay, thank you so much. The pattern of the day, of a day. Pattern itu pola ya, pola dari sebuah kondisi satu hari, gitu ya. Every day the sun rises in the east, in the east. Jadi setiap hari matahari itu muncul dari timur. It travels across the sky and sets in the west. Dan kemudian matahari itu mengelilingi bumi ya di awan ya dan akan tenggelam di bagian barat ya. This is about assumption. When we stay at the certain position at the earth ya, at the earth we will say about sunrises and then sunset. Kalau kita berada di satu tempat tertentu di bumi, maka kita bisa mengatakan ada matahari terbit dan matahari tenggelam. Karena kenapa? Ya, because matahari itu tidak pernah hilang. Hanya hilang di pandangan kita karena kita tidak menjangkau karena tertutup bagian bumi yang menutupinya. Jadi dia sebenarnya tetap berputar. If our position always move and the movement of us based on the movement of the sun, so we will see or know the sun always shining. Jadi kalau kita misal posisi kita itu tidak tetap ya, kita pakai kendaraan yang selalu bergerak mengikuti matahari, maka kita tidak akan pernah menemui sunset. Ya, kita hanya menemui matahari terus karena kan kita ngikut. Gitu. Okay. It is highest in the sky at midday. Jadi yang paling tinggi itu saat midday ya, kelihatannya seperti itu. Itu kan sebenarnya ini kan fata morgana aja sebenarnya kan ya. Masa matahari keluar dari laut kan enggak. Ini terkait dengan proyeksi ya, projection. How can we explain this pattern? There are two ways to explain the pattern. One is correct, the other is wrong. Ya. Jadi yang satu benar, yang satu salah. Kenapa? Tadi yang baca Mbak Fania. Mbak Fania, halo.
Ya.
Ini kenapa? Why this is wrong and why this is right? Why? Halo? There are two ways.
Karena matahari mengelilingi bumi.
Matahari mengelilingi bumi yang mana itu? The left side or the right side?
Left side.
Okay, thank you. So that's why this is wrong because based on the answer of Mbak Fania, because this is matahari ini mengelilingi bumi, harusnya bumi yang mengelilingi matahari ya. Ya. Ya, betul ya. Sedangkan ini matahari muter sendiri dan dia mengelilingi matahari. The revolution is the earth moving around the sun ya. Okay. Here is the wrong explanation. The earth sits still in space. The sun travels around the earth once every day. This is wrong ya. Ini yang salah. Bentar aja. Oke, thank you Mbak Grace. And then the right side, ya. Here is the correct explanation. The earth is not still. Jadi apa namanya? Buminya tidak diam, tetapi dia juga revolution and rotation, ya. It spins around on its axis once every day. This makes the sun appear to travel around the earth. Jadi itu sebenarnya seakan-akan matahari mengelilingi kita itu sebenarnya bukan mengelilingi kita, tetapi karena spin, ya. The earth spin, ya. Jadi apa namanya? Bumi ini itu berputar, berotasi pada aksisnya, pada porosnya, ya. Satu hari sekali putaran. Okay, this is the wrong one, and then this is the right one. And now, Mbak Nashwa Aulia Aryang. Okay, please read this one, Mbak.
The Earth exists in a line joining the North Pole to the South Pole. It is as if there was a long stick passing through the Earth from top to bottom. The Sun appears to travel from east to west. This tells us that the Earth must be turning the other way from west to east.
Thank you so much. This explanation so simple to us actually, but this explanation is so important to us to understand the concept of solar system. The Earth's axis is the line joining the North Pole to the South Pole. It is as if there was a long stick passing through the Earth from top to the bottom. Ya, jadi sebenarnya poros atau as, ya, itu nggak ada. Tapi intinya poros atau aksis ini adalah menghubungkan dari kutub utara ke kutub selatan. The sun appears to travel from east to west. Jadi matahari itu travel, ya, kelihatannya bergerak dari timur ke barat, padahal kita aja yang berputar dari barat ke timur. Sehingga di sini disebutkan lagi, this tells us that the earth must be turning the other way. Jadi kalau matahari terlihat dari timur ke barat, sebenarnya kita ini berputar dari barat ke timur, ya, west to east. Ini, ya. Oke. I think clear, ya. Any questions? No? Okay. Now we go to the next paragraph here. Yeah. And I need help from Mas Raka. Tadi Mas Rafa sudah, sekarang Mas Raka. Read this text.
Around the world, at any moment only the half of the earth that faces the sun is in daylight. As the earth turns, this part moves into darkness. This is nighttime. In the picture, it is daytime in Africa and Europe. India is just moving into darkness. It is the middle of the night in Australia.
Okay, thank you so much. At any moment, only the half of the earth. Jadi pada satu momen tertentu itu adalah setengah, ya, separuh dari bumi that faces the sun is in. Jadi separuh itu menghadap ke ke matahari, ini separuhnya. Kalau saya bagi ini, ya, separuhnya. Kemudian separuhnya menghadap atau membelakangi matahari. Okay. As the earth turns, this part moves into darkness. Jadi menuju ke kegelapan. Kan kita kan dari pagi, ya, menuju kegelapan. Tapi ya semuanya relatif, ya, sebenarnya. This is night time. Ada night time. In the picture, it is daytime in Africa and Europe. India is just moving into darkness. Jadi di situ terlihat Eropa, Afrika masih siang, India menuju ke malam, ya. It is the middle of the night in Australia. Jadi, the middle of night di Australia. Nah, the interesting part of this page is the questions. Yeah, the question. Mas Raka, please read number 3. Sorry.
If your part of the earth is turned away from the sun, is it day or night?
Is it day or night?
Night.
Okay. If your part of the earth is turned away from the sun, it is day or night. Night. Ini sebenarnya ya pertanyaannya gampang ya, tapi kalau nggak paham ya jadi sulit gitu. Jika kamu, if your part, jika pada tempatmu di bumi itu segera meninggalkan matahari, maka itu siang atau malam. Jawabannya sudah dijawab. Oke, number 4. Number 4. Mbak Afiza tadi sudah ya?
Sudah, Ustaz.
Oke, Mbak Sekar, Assalamualaikum. Halo Mbak Sekar. Oke, Mas Fabian, I need you to read the questions number 4, please.
Look at the picture of the earth turning. We'll see the sunrise first. Someone in India or someone in Australia?
Okay, please answer.
Australia.
Australia, why?
Because, well, you can see from the picture.
Huh?
Kan bisa aja dilihat Pak dari gambarnya Pak.
Oh, tidak ada gambarnya. Emangnya gambarnya menunjukkan apa antara India dan Australia?
Indianya lebih ke apa? Ke tengah, ke kiri dari Australia.
Oh, India lebih dulu malam.
Enggak.
Enggak, Australia yang lebih dulu malam.
Iya. Kan putarnya ke kanan.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Summary. The sun appears to move across the sky during the day from east to west. Ini gerak semu matahari istilahnya ya. This happens because the earth is turning from west to east. Nah, sebenarnya ini terjadi karena buminya yang berotasi ya. Rotation from west to east. Okay. Now we discuss about the starry skies. Starry skies. Apa ini starry skies ini? Maybe some of you have read this text, not yet. Sudah ada yang baca buku course booknya? Belum. Mbak Grace, Assalamualaikum Mbak Grace.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, I need you to read this paragraph. Okay, I'll give a notice this one. Okay, until here. Okay. Silakan Mbak. Halo Mbak Grace. Ya, dibaca Mbak. The starry skies. Oh, kok nggak dengar ya? Halo. Mungkin sinyalnya ya.
Ya.
Mbak Nadia, Assalamualaikum. Mbak Nadia, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, read the text, Mbak.
At night, if there are no clouds, you can see the stars. They appear as bright spots of light in the night sky. We cannot see the stars during the day. This is because light from the sun makes the sky to clear.
And then, next, moving stars.
If you sit and watch the stars, you will see they seem to move across the sky. The photograph on the right shows how the stars appear to move.
Okay, thank you so much. At night, if there are no clouds, ya kalau nggak ada awan itu ya, you can see the stars. Kamu bisa melihat bintang-bintang. They appears as bright spots of light in the night sky. Itu seperti ada titik cahaya, ya, bright titik cerah gitu ya. And then we cannot see the stars during the day. Tapi kadang bisa, ya, kadang bisa melihat stars during the day. Pada saat siang hari, kadang ada yang terlihat. Ya. Tapi sulit ya. Mungkin yang melihat bulan. Pernah ya melihat bulan pada siang hari?
Pagi biasanya.
Pagi
Oke.
pagi jam 7 jam 6.
Oke.
Aku biasanya jam 6-an sih.
Oh gitu ya. Kalau bintang
Ada, biasanya ada. Kalau di
ada
tempat
ya.
sekarang.
Pakai mata biasa atau pakai ini?
Mata
Teleskop.
telanjang. Iya, mata biasa.
Oh gitu ya. Oke. We cannot see the stars during the day, nggak 100% ya, bener ya. This is because light from the sun makes the sky too bright. Ya ini teori ya, teorinya begitu. Kalau misal kelihatannya juga sulit ya melihat bintang siang hari itu. Ya nanti bisa kamu praktekkan aja. Moving stars. If you sit and watch the stars, you will see that they seem to move across the sky. The photograph on the right shows how the stars appear to move. Moving stars, apa namanya? Bintang yang bergerak. Okay. You can read this. This photograph was made using a camera which recorded the tracks of the stars for 2 hours. Ini maksudnya starsnya itu di titik ya. Selama berapa? 2 hours. Selama 2 jam. Ini direcord, direkam pergerakannya. Selama 2 jam seperti itu. Okay, the questions. Mas Atala Rasha, number 1. Please.
Yeah.
Question number 1.
Each star follows a path across the sky from east to west, just like the sun. Suggest an explanation for this.
Each star follows a path across the sky from east to west, just like the sun. Suggest an explanation for this. Okay. Please, Mas Atala Rasha. Any explanation, Mas Atala Rasha?
I'm confused.
Confused. Okay. Let me to dig this question. Each star follows a path across the sky from east to west. Nah, maksudnya bintang-bintang ini juga dari timur ke barat gitu. Just like the sun, seperti matahari. Jadi dari timur ke barat. Nah, itu bagaimana penjelasannya? Oke.
Ustaz,
Yes.
jawabannya
Ya, boleh. Kok putus? Apa saya yang nggak dengar ya? Kok putus-putus suaranya? Mbak siapa ya?
Afiza.
Oh, Mbak Afiza.
Suaranya putus-putus.
jawabannya because the earth is turning from west to east.
Because the
Earth
okay. Very good, Mbak Fiza. Because the earth move the other ways. Apa namanya, gerakannya bumi itu apa namanya, kebalikan dari gerakannya dari east ke barat. Apa namanya, gerakan semu mataharinya. Kenapa ini seperti matahari? Oh iya, jelas. Karena kita berotasinya itu dari barat ke timur. Itulah, gitu ya Mas Atala Rasya.
Baik.
Okay, thank you Mas Atala Rasya. And then now Mas Hamam. Assalamualaikum. Mas Hamam.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you Mas Hamam?
I'm fine.
Fine. Good. Did you join the KBS Mas Hamam?
Yes.
Yes. Hari ini masuk enggak?
Enggak. Senin sama Rabu.
Senin sama Rabu. Oke. Keep healthy and happy, Mas Hamam.
Iya.
Oke, Mas Hamam. Help me to read number 2, Mas Hamam.
Look at the photograph of the star tracks. How can you tell that some stars are brighter than others?
Oke, Mas Hamam, saya bantu ya.
Yeah.
Look at the photograph of the stars tracks. How can you tell that some stars are brighter than others? Maksudnya kalau kamu mau mengamati di apa namanya, bintang itu ada yang brighter, ada yang lebih terang, ada yang lebih redup. Kenapa kok begitu? Nah itu maksudnya pertanyaannya. Kenapa kok bisa begitu? Ada bintang yang nyalanya terang, ada bintang yang nyalanya tidak terang atau redup. Why?
Jarak bintang.
Okay, thank you. Maybe the others.
It depends on its proximity to us. Jadi kita kalau ngeliat bintang, kalau dari jauh makin redup, makin dekat makin cerah.
Okay, thank you so much. Proximity, kedekatan.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Or depend on the distance between one star to Earth and we compare with the other stars. Okay, Mas Hamam?
Ya.
Oke, jawabannya itu ya?
Iya.
Ya tergantung dari jaraknya, Pak. Kalau yang terang itu jaraknya dekat. Kalau yang jauh berarti, yang redup jaraknya lebih farther. Ya. The nearest stars will shine brightly, so bright. Ya. Bright itu apa ya? Apa ya? Kalau wajah kan glowing ya. Oke, terang ya. Oke, we continue to the next. I will share my screen. This one. We have answered number 1 and number 2, and now we discuss about star patterns. Anyone knows what is patterns?
Pola.
Okay.
Pola.
Okay, pola ya. Very good. Okay, now I need help from Mbak Alisha Shafira. Assalamualaikum, Mbak Alisha.
Yes, hello.
Yes. Help me to read this text, Mbak Anissa. Star patterns.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Oh, all right. The star patterns.
Yes.
The brightest stars in the night sky seems to form fat patterns. Oh God, am I lagging?
Just continue. It's okay.
Wait. These patterns are called constellations. Although the source of a constellation look close together in the sky, they may be very far apart in space. But the pictures on right shows two constellations with shapes that are easy to remember. Many constellations were given the names by the ancient Greek over 2,000 years ago. My mistake.
Okay. Thank you
No problem.
for your reading with what is that? British style, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I think
Yeah, I don't know about the style of English.
it's
Like
more.
Harry Potter. Huh?
What?
Like Harry Potter.
No, no, I don't mean by that.
Harry Potter.
I do not watch Harry Potter.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we could go on and continue. I'll
Okay.
just put it in the room.
Oke, thank you Mbak Alisa. Kalau saya
Once
pakai
again, no
Indon
problem.
Oke, kalau saya pakai Indonesian style ya. Javanese style. Thank you, very good. Star patterns. The brightest stars in the night sky seem to form patterns. Jadi ternyata bintang-bintang di awan itu kadang ada patternnya, ada polanya, ya. These patterns are called constellation. Jadi pattern itu, pola-pola itu dinamai constellations. Nanti cari translasinya, apa ya namanya? Translate-nya di Indonesia, constellation.
Rasi bintang.
Rasi bintang ya?
Iya, artinya itu.
Okay, thank you so much, Mas Atala Rasya. Although the stars of a constellation look close together in the sky, they may be very far apart in space. Jadi kalau kita melihat jarak bintang-bintang di langit itu kelihatannya dekat. Tapi in fact ya, kenyataannya sebenarnya jaraknya sangat-sangat jauh. Ya, dari kecilnya aja itu sudah kecil, berarti jauh sekali. Ini kecil sama kecil kelihatannya dekat gini. Tapi ini sebenarnya sangat jauh sekali. Ya. The pictures on the right show two constellations with shapes that are easy to remember. Saya pun juga nggak terlalu ini ya, nggak terlalu sering mengamati ini ya. Many constellations were given their names by the ancient Greek over 2,000 years ago. Ini bukunya dibuat kapan? 2000 tahun yang lalu gitu ya. Itu di Yunani sana ya. Ada Scorpion, ya, rasi bintang apalagi. Banyak, ada beberapa. Oke. Okay, we go to the next. Through the year. Oke, di sini ada kata-kata penting sih. Oke, I need help from yang belum siapa ya? Assalamualaikum Mbak Zafira.
Waalaikumsalam Ustaz.
Oke, Mbak Zafira, I need your help to read this paragraph. Please, Mbak Zafira Farah.
Through the year, we see different constellations at different times for the year. For example, Orion is easy to see from November to February, but it cannot be seen from May to July. This happened because of the movement of the Earth. The Earth is in orbit around the Sun. It follows a path through space. This path is called its orbit. It takes 1 year for the year for the Earth to travel all the way around its orbit. The diagram shows the position of the Earth in January and in July. To see the star, we need to be on the dark side of the Earth. The diagram shows why you will see different stars in January and July.
Okay, I think you are near with Musola ya. Oke, Mbak Zafira. Halo Mbak Zafira.
Iya, Ustaz.
Uh, do you know what is the content of this paragraph? Would you like to tell us about the content of this paragraph by your own words? Ceritakan dengan kata-katamu sendiri. Tidak apa-apa pakai bahasa Indonesia, it's okay. Silakan, Mbak Zafira. Mbak Zafira? Okay. We see different constellation at different times of the year. Jadi konstelasinya setiap year itu setiap tahun akan berbeda. For example, Orion is easy to see from November to February. Jadi Orion, bintang Orion itu bisa dilihat November sampai Februari. But it cannot be seen. Tapi itu nggak bisa dilihat from May to July. Dari Mei ke Juli. This happens because of the movement of the Earth. The Earth is in orbit around the Sun. It follows a path through space. This path is called its orbit. Jadi karena ini terjadi pergerakan bumi mengelilingi matahari. Nah, lintasan bumi mengelilingi matahari itu disebut dengan orbit ya. Ya. Jadi kayak garis-garis biasanya kalau kita melihat planet-planet mengelilingi matahari itu kan ada garis bunder-bunder gitu yang menunjukkan lintasan dari planet itu ya, lintasan dari planet. The track of the planet when move around to the sun, we call it usually we call it or we can call it as what's that orbits, yeah, orbit. It takes 1 year for the Earth to travel all the way around its orbit. Jadi untuk menuju matahari itu perlu 1 tahun. The diagram shows the position of the Earth in January and in July. To see the stars, you need to be on the dark side of the Earth. The diagram shows why you will see different stars in January and July. Okay. Oh. Okay. So many. Okay, kita langsung ke ini aja ya. I'm so sorry. We go to this one because of the limitation of the time. What time is it? Oh, 7 minutes more. Okay, I go to the workbook, yeah. Workbook, page 90. Unit 11, the Earth and Beyond. Exercise 11.1, the Earth in a spin. This exercise will help you to check that you understand why we have night and day. Now, anyone, Mas Atala Rasya, read number 1, please. Number 1. Mas Atala Rasya, read number 1.
Wait, on the diagram, label the direction is...
No, number 1 first.
Oh, the picture shows a person's shadows at 2 times of the day. The position of the sun is shown at 11 a.m.
Okay, point A. Answer point A. Hello, Mas Atalasya. Please keep your mic on. Okay, okay. A, on the diagram, label the direction east and west. Oke, sekarang is-nya mana? Saya kasih ini A, di sini B. Is-nya yang A atau yang B?
Gimana?
Yang A. Baca yang A, Mas. 1A. A.
On the diagram, label the direction east and west.
Oke. West. Is-nya mana? West-nya mana? Is-nya A atau B?
West itu barat ya?
Mm-mm.
Yang is-nya itu yang ini 11. Yang B.
Yang B, are you sure?
Sebentar.
Ini matahari loh, jam 11 loh. Dan di sini nanti jam 12. Ini jam 12 kan di sini. Di sini kan jam 12 tuh. Ya kan? So,
Oh iya.
which one the is?
M.
Huh? Mana yang is?
Ini. Yang di mana namanya?
Yang sini ya.
Ya, itu A.
Di sini is ya. Kenapa? Why? Mas Santana Rasya? Ya karena ini jam 11 di sini, jam 12 pasti di sini. 13, 14, berarti kan dari sini ke sini. Padahal matahari itu dari east to west ya. From east to west. B, Fania. Mbak Fania.
Ya.
Read question point B, 1B.
Bentar ya, Pak. Pak, aku nggak paham, Pak. Bisa diterjemahkan, tak, Pak?
Okay, B. Draw a line to show the path that the sun seems to take across the sky from sunrise to sunset. Add an arrow to show the direction in which it seems to move. Ini maksudnya kamu disuruh, saya tak bersihkan dulu. Kamu disuruh menggambar gerakan mataharinya. Draw a line, gambar. Dari mana ke mana? The movement of the sun based on the available pictures or diagram.
Kiri ke kanan, left to right.
Oke, left to right like this ya. Ini ya.
Nah, pintar.
Ini ya. Oke. Oke. See, mark on the line you have drawn where the sun will be at middle. Pasti di sini ya. Tak jawab aja ya. Halo? Anyone?
Ya.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, because of the limitation of the time, I'm so happy because can meet with yes.
IPT yang kemarin kok nggak dibahas, belum dibahas.
Oh ya, nanti kita bahas besok ya. Besok kan kita ada IPT jam 1.
Ya Ustadz.
Oke, sip. Kita bahas besok. Oke ya. Thank you, Mbak Hafiza ya?
Iya.
Oke, thank you Mbak Hafiza for your attention and for reminding me. And thank you for your attention, and also I'm so sorry if there are a lot of mistakes. And keep healthy, keep spirit, study hard, and we will meet with Ramadan. Yeah, we have to prepare ourselves, and Ya, semoga nanti kita semuanya tetap sehat dan selalu sehat, orang tua kita, our parents, and also all of our teachers always healthy, can teach you optimally. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kak mau tanya.
Ada yang tanya? Oke, nggak apa-apa tanya, silakan.
Mau tanya Kak. Penjelasan